Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. We are going to cover the HP laptop that I bought when we went to Baltimore 3 weeks ago. It's going to be a very short video. All that I really have to say overall is that it is an unbelievable investment. The amount of money I spent on it, I would have thought would have been a top end laptop, so you're talking Razer standards, about £1,300–1,400. However, I got it for £699. The positives of it are it's incredibly fast, it's incredibly light, so it's good for portability for the sort of video and content that I want to do. So we will talk about the battery life. The battery life is unbelievably good. For the trip back from Baltimore, I done the majority of the photos that you can find on my Instagram down below. Done the majority of them within that main leg of the flight, and still had a lot of battery life left over. The video editing side of things drains the battery a wee bit more, but you would expect that with a higher processor power, the higher requirements on the graphics card, all of that sort of thing. Where I got around 3 to 4 hours of intensive use of the laptop. As I was stating earlier, the speed of the laptop is unbelievable. For a 4 to 5 minute video, you're talking 10 minutes of rendering, if that. For a 15-minute video, it was 20 minutes. Now on my main desktop computer, because it's got a 970 graphics card in it, that would have taken around an hour and 15. I also think this is down to the fact that with the laptop, it only has a 250 gigabit SSD hard drive on it. So I have been using an external hard drive and keeping all the media on that, using the SSD to hold the proxy files for me to edit quicker and develop a style better, purely because it's not chugging away on trying to load all the files. Aesthetics, they were great until the flight back from Baltimore, where someone put their bag on top of it, but you can see that in the video up here somewhere. I'll leave a link down below as well. Aesthetics are great, the keyboard is great, it's very responsive trackpad, and the screen itself is really crisp and clear. I have noticed that a few of my videos have been quite soft in focus due to the fact that the screen is so crisp and clear. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. It's probably the quickest review you have ever seen. However, if you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, write a comment down below, and hit the subscribe button, and you'll keep up to date with everything that I'm doing. Also, my social medias are down below. Like I said, have a look at my Instagram for the Baltimore photos. And until next time guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace!